it to the shop to install the new wastegate spring, actual boost. But then when I pulled it out of my driveway, we noticed that the radiator was leaking like tremendously. So just to be careful, we're just gonna tow it, and then we're gonna get a look at that and try to get the springs in shortly. Now, but we towed to the shop. I'm gonna ride with my buddy Donnie's MHD Stage 2 Plus True Duals. He just adjusted his burble settings. He wants to try to get it to shoot GTR flames, but it's not for some reason. We're testing it right now. We also tried this new shift bog delete.
Apparently it stops the limited torque, guys, that goes in between shifts for the manual guys, and it also has a flash for the automatic ones, but it's not the same.
Go. We caught up to her on roads. Donnie can quick shift. Wanna be no lift. We need the no lift tunes, boys.
Wow, box, boys.
This thing pops.
Is that a cop right there to the left?
He has an American flag.
Is that a cop?
No. Okay.
Check.
We were doing some speculating, and we saw that the leak was actually coming from here, from the drain plug, radiator drain plug. And as you see, we didn't have it locked in to that little notch is right there. So it did come out, and I was leaking all over the place. But now it should be good. So now we're looking over at this side. Are we gonna keep this down, or we're gonna might as well keep it off for the wastegate? No.
No. Doesn't make a difference.
My car, and you treat it like it's your car.
Your car's a piece of trash. And then
Guys,
treat it like it's
that's what happens when you let me do install.
Yeah, I just gave him my Burger Motorsports filter, so G owes me a lot.
Honestly, guys, he can't be complaining
Oh my
because
god, you got no oil, man.
tile blow off for free, charge pipe for free,
Free? But
intercooler,
charging $100.
friends and family discount.
There's no oil in here.
Huh?
Should I be concerned? I'm kidding. No, I'm not kidding.
We'll be back when this guy gets his life sorted out. Turbo is out. Kilometers with it. Now swapping wastegate spring. This guy's dropping fucking muffins in my engine, bro. Are you kidding me? Snail. Alright guys, so now we did just get the wastegate off of the manifold.
We left the hoses on and the T on, just so we don't fuck up the orientation, but
Probably
we
already
got
messed
the
up with them.
Mac disconnected. Yes, not much to it. Just take the exhaust off, O2 sensor, get the V-bands off, get out of my face. You just want to get someone who's not useless to help you.
Sorry guys, I don't know.
This thing's
Mr.
gonna be
Mechanic
heavy.
over there is over.
These springs are gonna be, well actually it's only got 6 psi in it. Should I just, okay, blow my head off. Help me push down. Push, let go slowly, let go.
It's not off. Are you sure it's off?
Hold it. Put that spring in there.
Oh my god. Alright guys, so that is what the six...
See, if you didn't get that diaphragm, you couldn't have put your springs.
To save yourself trouble, get this diaphragm, guys, and get whatever springs that you're trying to go for. I went for the 13-pound wastegate, which is black, red, and green. So that's the order you want to put it in, how you want to assemble it. This is what's recommended by Greg. Two-man project.
Just a little bit. Not cool. Well, it's because it's stuck under here. Right?
Okay, so we kind of missed a lot here, but Wastegate's back in.
Do not do it at home yourselves, because you will not be able to.
Not that you won't be
Okay,
able to.
you need 3 guys.
You need a lot of manpower, so if you're weak, don't do it yourself. Yes. He's put in the
Goblin.
You got the Green Lantern intake going in.
Green Lantern intake. Green Lantern intake, boys.
Top off the coolant because she was leaking. Donnie's struggling. We've been here for 4 hours.
Where was the dent? Where it was down? There was a dent that was already made.
Almost there. There she is, bro.
There's the dent. All right,
a little dent marker.
Guys, make sure you align the dents, or else you might need to get the $60 alignment tool from NCS. But
got everything installed. Beamer's running. We're just kind of cleaning up right now because it was a mess. We're about to go do some test pulls. I'm gonna do some logs with my JB4, try out map 1, and it's also snowing right now. So not really the most practical weather for spring, That's what happens when you do a first to second. Completely snap the rear passenger side axle. The driver's side is fine, but it's kind of concerning to me that. So the axle is dropped. Got it out of the diff. Putting for the passenger right side. I didn't go upgrade it just yet, guys. It's more of a problem with the car wheel hopping. So every time I do a hard or aggressive launch in first gear, no matter what, if I dump the clutch, it's gonna wheel hop and put more strain on the axle itself and then probably break it. So there's no point in me right now putting upgraded axles. So first I wanna fix that problem of the wheel hop, maybe getting some better coil. I've been looking into that and maybe doing a diff lockdown or diff bracket. So after all the problems, we're finally back here for a test video for you guys. It's really slippery. I don't know if you can see, we're out here in good old Canada. Who's this? I know.
be careful.
We got a 335 looking out for. 335 for the first time with a single turbo. Only able to get a small amount of footage of me doing some pulls on the wastegate pressure, which is not the same wastegate pressure as the DOC wastegates, guys, because if you saw earlier in the video, I opt to the 13-pound wastegate spring from the Tile MVR, compatible with the On3's wastegate, which was told to me by Greg at On3. I'll leave a link down in the description if you guys were curious, do some more research, or if you guys wanted to do the same thing for your 335. But unfortunately, when I did go put the boost setting up with my max solenoid, and I would up it to map 2 to make some more pressures, I think map 2 should be around 17 pounds, running the automatic radiator, okay? So it looked like I fixed it in the video, but after when I would go put it on map 2, max solenoid to 17 pounds, the radiator would leak every single time. And I'm like, okay, I gotta stop driving my car because if it's leaking, you guys know it's not good to drive with no coolant. So I think because of all the block offs we did with the manual swap to the automatic radiator, it's building up a lot of pressure inside and it's causing the train plug to keep popping off every time. So I went on ECS Tuning. I'm ordering a new upgraded ESF upgraded radiator for the manual. So fingers crossed, all of it, but that will hopefully solve the coolant leak. And then I will be able to come back at you guys with some more pulls on the higher boost settings. Stay tuned, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. More pulls will be coming soon with boost added. So I just hope you guys enjoyed the first drive. We're kind of sorting everything out right now, the king stages. But the next video I have for you guys, she'll be riveted. Stay safe. I'm out.